Hi guys, worst average rider here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Switch it off, go out, ride, practice, explore, do whatever you want to do. This is a video about installing the SW motech sliders protection. And before I start, this is where I start my garage or warehouse, the same as Apple or Microsoft start, but I will not compare with them. Then I will install it right now, and I've got one surprise. That surprise waiting for me at Germany, at DHL at Germany. And leave me a comment below what you think it will be, because I'm really looking forward to it. And thing two, next day is a track day, and I will make some videos from the track with this beauty. Hopefully I will survive it all in one piece. Hopefully bike will survive it all in one piece. And right now, little unboxing. I ruined the surprise then, because I told you it's SW motech sliders protection. What is this?
Unbound Leitung. I don't know what it says. Yes, this is how to install it. Put in. Okay. Okay. Okay, then the left one is I have to go first. The left one has to go first. Then start mounting the right front slide onto the computer and switch on the left one. Okay, we can start. Hopefully, we can start. Then it's a bit heavy. I think it's more than 3 kilos. In here and in here. Hopefully, yes. Great. It's locked in. Then I will unpack it, and after I will continue recording.
We've got everything set up. Left side, right side. We have to start with the left side, and we will follow the instructions. I don't think it's hard.
Okay.
First one. They are still hot. Okay. Then we need these two. First one. Second one. Okay, good. Yeah. Then we have to this one. This one. This one, these two, and these two. Okay. Then I will mount it